Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can redeem Roblox gift cards. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright guys, so first of all, open up your Roblox application on your mobile device and log in with your account. You can see that I'm on my account's homepage. To redeem a gift card, minimize the Roblox application and open up any type of preferred browser. On this browser, just search for Roblox Redeem. Open up the second site that pops up on the list. It will then ask you to log in with your Roblox account. Since I'm logged in, it didn't ask for it. Inside the website, just tap on redeem at the top right corner. Here you can type in the redeem code and tap on redeem button and you're done. That's how you can redeem a Roblox gift card. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.